my amazing people, welcome back to the last recipe. Thank you for tuning in today's video. In today's recipe, I'll be sharing with you how to prepare banga soup, aka palm nut soup. This soup is very easy and it is very popular in Africa, most especially in Nigeria. If you want to know how to prepare this soup, please keep watching. And if you are new to this channel, you are most welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe and also turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Thank you. So here I have smoked turkey, I have smoked mackerel fish, fresh mackerel fish on my green seasoning. Next I have my scotch bonnets, banga spices, onions, goat's meat, banga paste. I'm using Ghana best. And also I have some fresh scent leaf and bitter leaf. I have salt, stock powder, and I have my ginger, garlic, and onion blended together. Next, I have my prawns. I'm using King fresh prawns. Yeah. I have the fresh mackerel fish. I will start by adding some salt, stock powder, and paprika powder. I'm going to mix this together and set aside for about an hour. If you want to boil your fish, please feel free to do so. Next, I'm going to season the goat meat by adding some salt, stock powder, ginger, garlic, and scotch bonnet paste. Next, I will add my all-purpose green marinade. So this goat meat, I'm going to mix together. I'm going to take this to my gas cooker and steam for about 10 minutes without adding any water. Here I have my banga paste. I'm going to scoop out the paste out of the can. I'm using Ghana best palm nut soup. This is my favorite palm nut paste. It's very good. I love it. Then I will add hot water so that the banga paste can dissolve. I love to dissolve my banga paste before cooking it. At this stage, I'm going to pour this inside a cooking pot. Now I'm going to take this to my gas cooker and I'm going to cook this for about 10 minutes. I've been cooking this for about 10 minutes now. So guys, at this stage, I will go ahead and add my blended scotch bonnet with onion and I will add the banga spices. Next, I will add the fresh mackerel fish. Remember, this fish was seasoned with some salt, so I'm not going to add salt to this soup at this moment. Next, I will add the fresh prawn. Next, I will add my stock. I'm going to bring this to boil for another 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I will add crayfish and I will add my smoked mackerel fish. Then I will add a turkey and goat's meat. Now I'm going to stir the soup together. Next, I will add a scent leaf and bitter leaf. Scent leaf is very good in banga soup, but if you can't get it, that's fine. But if you can get it, please don't hesitate to add this to your banga soup. It's really, really nice. I love the flavor it gives my banga soup. At this stage, I will be adding just 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to cover this and cook for about 7 to 8 minutes. Ooh, here we comes. This is our banga soup. At this stage, it is ready. I just love this banga soup. Just like this. I don't want it to be too thick, neither light. So I just want it to be in between. I just love the consistency of this soup right now. I love it like this. It is ready. If you watch this video to this very moment, I say big thank you. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate you. God bless you all. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Please stay safe and stay blessed.